We are walking the kids to school, and I think Judah has a slight cold. I'm gonna tell his mommy because he's coughing. I wish I would have known. You could have took some medicine before you left the house. I see him just having a slight cough. Something what?
When he was sleeping this day, another day.
It was this day. Wait a minute, get our hand, Elias. Come on, Elias. Elias, get my hand. Get my hand. Get my arm.
But I didn't sneeze.
Hold on. Look how that comes sneezing. Oh my God. That's absolutely crazy. Come on, y'all. Come on.
He just comes speeding.
The devil is a liar. The demon. Oh, Jesus. Oh, thank you. Okay, I gotta watch it. These people drive. No. What is going on? Oh my God. Come on, y'all, come on. Come on, because these people are something else. Oh my God. Oh God. Thank you. The lady cussing. I'm like, why are you driving like that?
I know they saw you crossing your babies.
I'm like, oh my God.
Hi, thank you, Mom.
Hello, good morning.
Hey.
Good morning.
Oh my goodness, these people out here are absolutely crazy. Come on, Judah. Come on. Come on. Demon.
Yeah, I'm hoping.
So we're in school, y'all. We're going to school. These people are crazy. Little devil. Oh, these people. I have to pray, y'all, because the people out here are so aggressive. Anyway, let me watch.
Hi, Ellie.
Come here, Judah.
Hi, Ellie.
So I am at a car repair, getting my lights put on my car, because my lights went out. And I would like to thank, Revolt. I know they send mass texts to people, but I like to think I'm special and that they sending me something special for me. And to the invite to the 50-year celebration of R&B, and they have so many other things going on, because I really don't listen to a lot of rap, but I do listen to R&B when it's not degrading. I listen to it. But I was gonna go, but unfortunately, life and things come up, like my grandkids, that I am, the one that
I'm
helps
going. My plans
take them to
change.
certain places, and
I am going.
I appreciate the invite,
Summit.
but at this present time, I can't.
I'm going to the summit. I'm going. I can't make it, and
I'm
I
like,
am.
no, I have obligations as a grandmother to my grandchildren, and I have to do things, so I can't go this time, but I will eventually, because I appreciate people that reach out to me, and that I appreciate people that reach out to me. I appreciate it, and I just wanted Revolt to know that I appreciate you, and I am going to come and support an event that you give, especially the man behind the scenes that does so much and gives to people. that God's people honor that. When you're doing good to people, whether people believe you're a sinner, because we all sinners are not, I honor that. And I surely wanted to come and support you. Not going to all the shows, but I sure would have showed up at some of them entrepreneurs, and I would have showed up for your event, but I cannot do it at this time. And this is just a shout out to you, Revolt. They say don't call, but I want to call you by your name, and I pray I'm not offensive with John, Puff Daddy, P Daddy. I appreciate the invites. You know, like I said, I know you just ain't personally inviting me, but you are in a way through a text, and you do invite, do mass texts. I understand that, but I appreciate me being one of the people that you give a shout out to and let me know what's going on with your events. And I will come. I'm going to come to one of them events, and I'm going to support, you know, because, you know, if I come, I got to spend all this money, and I don't mind spending the money. That's why I'm trying to money up. I'm trying to get my station. But I do understand that sometimes you can go places and you may get help from people if you go in and, you know, interact with them. But family over money. I know that's it. Family is over money. And what God has for me is for me. But this is a shout out to you. I'm going to put this down. And congratulations on your 50 years. Pray you guys continue to do what you do, but switch it up a little bit so that our youth and our young people can be positive, you know. And thank you for the invite. And I'm going to let you go. Hello, this is Monicalovelygant. Hi, you guys. I am at Quick and Fair Auto Repairs. And I have the owner here. And let him tell you something about his business, because I came here to get my light, good service, quick service, efficient service. So I've been to him before, and he is awesome. So he can tell you a little bit about his business.
Yes, how are you?
And
My name is Tia, and we've been here almost 20-some years. We try to serve the community. We're good with everybody. I'm sorry, my voice is low.
Voice is low, you
Yes.
guys, so bear with him. He's saying that he's been here for 25 years.
Yes, good.
And he's sufficient. And like I said, his shop is quick
And fair.
and fair auto repair. And I've been here before, so he is awesome. You guys come out to his shops. I'm going to put his addresses. I believe he has 2 of them. I'm going to put his addresses below. So here he is. Remember that face.
Thank you
And
very
he
much.
is a
I
fair and a
appreciate
good
that.
man.
Yes.
Thank you.
He's
Thank you,
in
guys.
the city of Chicago, and I will put his information in the description below the video. So I'll probably post a picture of it. Next is pictures of me and my grandkids.
not trying to be funny, but I don't have on my teeth in none of these pictures.
We would take
I
the
just try to
pictures
accept
and
myself
act
as I
silly.
am. And, you know, I have
Love
people
my
say, why do you do that? But it is
Look,
what
Judah,
it is.
look at that one. That one's sharp. Look at that one. Let's get a sharp cop for Judah. Why y'all giving him a funny looking cop? Look at that one. That one pretty. Look at that one. That one cool. No? You don't like that one? You talking about no, y'all.
Let's see what happens.
Okay, wait.
Wow!
Oh, look at this one, Judah. Look at that one. That's cool. That's cool.
Wait, it got
Look,
stuck
look
one
at that
time.
one.
It got stuck one time.
No, it didn't.
I know.
Give him a cool car. Give him a cool car.
I just gave him my car.
Thank you. Oh, look at that one. That one's sharp.
It goes
Do, do,
really
do, do,
fast.
do, do,
That
do,
one
do.
goes- that one
Oh my God, y'all hear the kid. Oh,
It was
y'all hear us.
so fast. Watch. Whoa! Oh, you see that? It's so cool. It's so cool.
car. Get your car. Get your car. Let me see your car. Let me see what kind of car you got, Judith. Show the people your car. Judith, that's the car you like. Okay.
I got the Batman car.
I like that. Ooh, that's a sharp car. Woo! Woo!
I got the back car.
Get the back car. Get the back car. Get the back car. And you got the fast car. You got the fast car. We got the fast car. So this is what I'm doing on a Wednesday. Playing with my grandkids, y'all. Playing with the grandkids. Woo! Look at this. We rocking the road. That's what we do.
It's just like oh my god. Judas goes so fast that he lost.
So what's going on here on the racetrack? What's going on? We got the cars going. Ooh, 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 ooh.
The blue one just
Woo! Woo! Look at the Batman car. Ooh, that Batman car go fast.
the Batman car goes fast.
Batman go fast. Woo! The blue car slowing it down. Batman. Woo!
The Batman.
Woo!
The Batman. Oh my gosh. Ooh, and now should I give him I hope they don't.
So that's what we're doing.
Anyway, because it's like it just
Playing with the kids. Playing with the grandkids.